Hey guys, John's here, and this week we heard two new announcements from the most popular companies, Google and Samsung. So we will be talking about Android Pie and also the Galaxy Note 9. So let's get started. Let's start with Android Pie. So Android Pie, this is the Android 9 or Android P that we are waiting for. What's new are app navigation, where you now swipe up to dismiss an app, new notification where its UI had improved a bit and you can schedule it too. Do not disturb mode has become more simple to use, and digital well-being, which is a beta right now, but what it does is it helps you to limit yourself over using your phone, which is unhealthy. You can set a time how long should you use an app, set the tint of the screen to be more yellow, or even a subtly change to grayscale. These are just few improvements Google made, and you can download it now if you're a Pixel user or Android One user. Now for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, this is the latest flagship from said company. It packs great specs and new software upgrades, some of which are scene recognition, where the camera adjusts its color or brightness depending on the scene you are taking. For example, it can identify if you are shooting a fruit or a flower, and it will adjust accordingly. The Note 9 has a whopping 4000 mAh battery, which is around 20% bigger than last year's model. S Pen. We all know that Note lineup has this, but what's special in this year's pen is it has Bluetooth LE. This can let you use it as a remote shutter to take pictures or run a PowerPoint presentation and move to the next slide while you're away from your phone. It is using a supercapacitor to hold a charge of 30 minutes, and to charge it, you just need to place the pen back to the phone and it will charge wirelessly. And that's about it. Hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.